Hi guys, this is John from WaltonsInc.com and this is Gamebird Gourmet. If you have a bunch of pheasant that you've gotten yourself in the field, you want to do something with it that you're going to be able to really enjoy. We wanted to try making pheasant jerky, and while it is sort of a lot of work, absolutely worth it. It's delicious and it'll give you a portable snack that you can take back out into the field with you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and skin and cut off any pieces of fat on your pheasant breast. Then you want to get at least a partial freeze on it. And with a slicer, cut them into pieces about 1/4 inch thick. Now, if you don't have a slicer, you can use a cut-resistant glove and just a regular knife and try to keep them as even as possible. We use the new Walton's 12-inch slicer and it did an awesome job on these. So then after you've gone ahead and sliced them, you're gonna wanna mix in your jerky seasoning. So with this, we wanted to use the teriyaki because teriyaki and bird just go together. But our teriyaki jerky seasoning is pretty spicy. And we wanted to keep this nice and tender. So we went ahead and we added 20% of the product's weight in brown sugar and 18% in water. We mixed those two things with the seasoning and the cure, and then we have a vacuum tumbler that we were able to use to get this to pick up as much of that solution as was possible. If you don't have one of those at home, you can put your jerky into a small container, mix in the seasoning, and put in just enough water to barely cover that. Remember, any water that we add to these, we are gonna have to cook out during the either smoking or dehydrating process. So once this had gotten done picking up all the solution, we went ahead and threw it in the oven at 225 degrees, and we just wanna get this up to 165 real quick. And with the slices being so thin, and having just been vacuum tumbled, they went ahead and cooked in no time. I think it was 15 to 20 minutes and these were up to 165. We then took it out of that, put it into our dehydrator and ran it for 5 hours at the top temperature ours would do, which is 160 degrees. And they came out, I mean, perfect. They are nice and tender. The bite is awesome on them. They are shelf stable. I mean, there is nothing more we could have asked for these. If you're looking for something different to do with your pheasant next time, I really recommend you try out pheasant jerky with the extra brown sugar and water. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit WaltonsInc.com and Meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Gamebird Gourmet, and I'll see you guys next time.
Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at WaltonsInc.com to find everything but the meat. Watch our latest sales and giveaway video by clicking here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.